1978, Stern Nugent made approximately 2,400 of these back in 78. This album cover art that they show here is from the Weekend Warrior album he did, and featured by Wii Magazine back in the late 70s. This is a Mike Kubin game. He did such greats as Gameplan Andromeda and Stern Seawitch and Nugent and Electronomo, among some others. A very fine example. Spent around 40 hours of restoration work on this. This came from a customer of mine that actually Ted Nugent was her babysitter back in the day, and he actually gave her one of these games way back when, and that got lost in the shuffle during some moves. So then she acquired this one from me, had it for many years, and then I bought it back from her to refurb and sell to a customer out west that I have, and he wanted a nice Nugent, and this is definitely a nice Nugent. We did all new rubber, basically the silicone stuff. We put on silicone rubber, new pop bumper caps, drop targets real nice. Rebuilt all those, rebuilt the flippers, and did a lot of work to the board set inside. Did some LEDs here and there that needed the LED treatment, kind of a hybrid approach. And I'll show you in the back here some of the stuff we did back here. Did a new Weebly board here, rebuilt Sona driver board there, and rebuilt this power board here, amplifier, or not, transformer board, and rebuilt this lamp driver board, as well as the soundboard over there. So it came out real nice. And a little bit of LED treatment back here, and a real nice plain Nugent now. Hard to find game. It's they don't really show up that often, and they don't show up very much often at all. Try to get them at a show, don't see them. So I found this beautiful one that I've had years ago, and it's back here. And let's give it a go. Let's see what Ted Nugent has to say when we hit the start button. Oh, okay. Great start to ball one there, but let's see if we can get better. Oh, ball two, down the crapper. I might have to press another game out in a second. It happens the same way here. And out she goes. All right, well, definitely going to press another game off of that. This game had the first soundboard that Stern made, so kind of very simple sounds. Right after the chime sound, or the chime box they had, they put this board in there. So Generation 1 sound for Stern. And I had to tune it. It was off tune a little bit, so I did a lot of work on the soundboard to get the sound nice again. And I have the special, I think it's set to give me 50,000 points if I get the special. Multipliers are good. Extra ball is not. Actually, the extra ball, if I get that drop target, it'll light up extra ball. And I have to get the top middle lane up there. Well, that was dumb. Cavernous gap there. But not a bad little score. Wow. All free. So we can make something happen here. I think those pew-pews out to him shooting his gun, I think. I don't know. Sounds kind of like pew pew. Okay. Go extra ball it again. Make it happen this time. Shoot it low and maybe one. Another one. That's the extra ball lane right there. Once it's lit, that's what we want. Oh, I'll shoot out. All right, high score. We'll just do one more just because. Get that spinner shot too, so we can get that spinner shot. This game shares the same ROM set as Electronimo, and he did Electronimo as well. So it's rare that another title has the same exact ROM. But Stern did it for these two titles. Okay, extra ball. Okay, that's lit. Special lit. Ooh, that's a nice sound. What's about? Like the jungle. Whoa. Okay. Well, I shouldn't let that go. There goes my extra ball. Went down the drain. Couldn't get it. This game, the other games from this time frame, they put the speaker in the bottom of the cabinet facing out. In these early Stern games, they put the speaker inside the cabinet and not facing outside at all. It's facing internally inside the cabinet. Almost like a chime box that would go there, but instead they put a speaker there. So they was experimenting around with early sound. And that's what they had. That's what their idea was. Do high score? I did do high score. All right, well, that's good. We'll take that. That is 1978 Stern Nugent. And been brought to you by Dr. Day's Pinball Restorations, serving the greater Northeast for about 30 years now. Like, share, subscribe.